Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by removing the obvious heat sources. Take off the case and set the phone on a flat, cool surface. Next, force stop or close any high CPU apps and background services. This reduces load immediately. Once done, reboot the device to clear runaway processes and monitor the temperature for 2-3 minutes. Make sure you watch battery and CPU usage in settings to see spikes, because identifying which app pushes the device is the first practical step to stabilizing temperature. You now run deeper diagnostics. Open battery and system settings to log which processes use the most power, because that's where heat originates. Next, boot into safe mode to determine whether a third-party app is the culprit. If heat drops, remove recent installs. Then update the OS and apps to patch known bugs and use app permissions or background restrictions to limit heavy background activity. While doing this, keep an eye on ambient temperature and avoid charging in hot environments, since charging adds thermal stress. You finish by tuning remaining settings. Lower screen brightness, disable high refresh rate, turn off location and Bluetooth when unused to cut sustained power draw. If the battery shows swelling or temps stay unusually high despite fixes, replace the battery or seek authorized service because hardware faults cause persistent overheating. If problems persist, back up your data and perform a factory reset as a last software step. And make sure to collect battery and app logs before contacting support so they can diagnose faster.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.